This is a motorcycle that somehow combines a sport bike engine, cruiser ergonomics, and the general weight of a small moon. Welcome to the bike that asked, why choose? And then promptly ignored the question.
The Suzuki GSXRs. First, they win more road races than any production motorcycle in history. Then, we put a license plate on them. The new liquid-cooled GSXRs, now available in 600, 750, and 1100 octane.
You must have guessed it by the title, but we're not going to talk about the GSXR models here. We're going to talk about the G. The GSX1100G has a surprising story and shares DNA with the R models of this era. This beast packs 1,127 cc's in an inline 4. This thing has the engine of a GSX-R, detuned, and it can make 100 horsepower. It's the same power plant, except this one has the energy of a divorced dad who just discovered yoga. And thanks to that detuning, it delivers torque like it's doling out life advice. Steady, strong, and a little condescending. The frame is good old steel tubing, none of that aluminum crap. Solid, stable, and perfect for holding down your garage floor. And yes, it is shaft-driven, which means no greasy chain lube rituals. Simply quiet, clean, low-maintenance cruising. Until you remember that a shaft drive weighs as much as your bad decision. Despite being a Frankenstein of an idea, the GSX1100G kind of works. It'll tour, commute, eat highway miles, and you'll actually enjoy it. Because it was only made from 1991 to 93, you'll almost never see another one. Okay, let's go for a ride now. Alright, first things first, let's see, the throttle response. So, if you've ridden a shaft drive before, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about when I say that it rides like it has a shaft. It takes a split second for it to pick up, but otherwise, this thing has so much to give that you better be holding on if you're opening throttle fully. As of the handling, it's really good. You can tell that it's a heavy bike though. It doesn't like sharp corners at low speeds at all. Let's see, what else? The suspensions. It soaks up the bumps. There's no problem. It's a really, really smooth ride. And the seat is basically a couch. What else? The sound and feel, I mean, you've noticed. It sounds just like a Suzuki race engine. It's got that specific tone to it for sure. On paper, this bike isn't cool or trendy, but that's actually what brings it to being cool. It just does everything pretty freaking well. In 1992, it sold for about $6,000, a bargain, honestly. But the market didn't get it. Sport riders wanted full fairings, cruiser people wanted chrome, and the GSX1100G, it just wanted to chill and ride. It was too versatile for its own good, like bringing a Swiss Army knife to a gunfight.